Andarki Namaste. Welcome to House of Rohinis. A grand welcome to House of Rohinis Vajram Vastram. We are based in Narsingi. We are an exclusive in-house store of designer jewelry. మేము ఇక్కడ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేసేది diamonds పైన, temple jewelry, pachis and polkis. The diamonds we use here are VVS EF color and the clarity of the diamonds is excellent. The polkis, rubies, emeralds, all the precious stones are very pure and very high in quality. The designing aspect of it, we are in-house designers compared to market where it's a regular concept of regular commercial look or anything. Here we concentrate a lot on the designing aspect of it so that we can give you something exclusive. Coming to the part of where we are in Narsingi, a very exclusive coming up area of Hyderabad into the suburbs of Hyderabad. And now I'll be starting up with one of our first concepts, and from here I'll be showing you each and everything in terms of how we concentrate on the designing, the quality, the finishing of it. Coming to the first item, this is a diamond tushya. The beauty of the tushya is it's been there for generations. Kanisam ma tatamma time lo kelli kuda unnadi, inka na manmarallu vallu puttinanka kuda vallaku kuda idi untundi. The beauty of it is never going out of fashion. It's a trendy piece. Raanu inka baga aitundi, inka grand aitundi tappa idi aithe for evergreen concept of tushya. The diamonds are all VVS clarity and EF color. The whole necklace is very flexible. Medalo eskunnappudu adi itla stiff ga undadu. It's going to be very flexible and it bends up to everybody's neck. We have given a little dangles of gold balls toti, and a little bit of gold balls here as well, the line of it, very fine intricate work. If you see the quality of the diamonds, this is how it is. VVS EF, a center changeable stone, a complete beauty concept where it's there for generations and it will always be for a long more time. E diamonds, VVS EF color, excellent cut. Idi meer itla chusinapudu the glitter, I don't know if the camera is catching it or not, but it's got rainbow colors in the diamonds. Tiny balls, very fine finish. It gives a beauty to the neck, like the shape of it. It doesn't like go here and there. It just gives a proper beauty to the neck. The shape of it with tiny intricate gold balls. We've given the framing on both sides. It's done completely in 18 karat gold. The concept here, the mundu nunchi chuste you're going to get it like a close look, but it is an open setting from the back to give it a much more finer finish. We have given it a back chain so that it's flexible and you can increase the length as long as you want. So this is the finish of the product where the whole finishing is done very finely and lot of importance is given to the quality and the finishing of the product. Next item, a very beautiful heavy choker necklace. Ee diamonds meer chudandi, they are flat polkis nearby to 1 carat each stone, which is a very unusual size. Ivi chana pedda size stones, which is not the regular size in the market. We have given it a new dimension of oval, square, chowky, square shape, circle, anni kalipi oka beautiful design. Ee kinda drop vachesi it's like nearly 1 to 1.50 carat single stone. They are all beautiful tourmalines, beautiful South Sea pearls, emeralds, and this entire set is done in 22 karat gold. Ikkada meer chudandi small diamond kuda inta pedda top, inta chinna top aina gani it is so standing out. The top of it, the beauty of it, the size of the stone is standing out so well. This is a complete antique piece where this is like a standout design. Any saal eskunna gani it doesn't go out of fashion or like people don't get bored wearing it. Most important quality of the product of this one is the size of the flat diamonds and the quality of it. If you can have a close-up look of it, సీ ద ప్యూరిటీ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్లాట్ డైమండ్ ఇన్ ఇట్. ఇది ఎంత క్లియర్ స్టోన్ అంటే మీరు క్లోజప్లో చూసినప్పుడు యూ విల్ నాట్ ఫైండ్ ఎనీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బ్లెమిష్ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇన్ ఇట్. ద ఎంటైర్ stones are surrounded by single cut diamonds, a complete fine tuning of it to give it a outer look. ఇది క్లోజ్లో చూసినప్పుడు మీరు ఇక్కడ చూస్తే ఇదంతా ఇంత పెద్ద పెద్ద స్టోన్స్, ద బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ ద స్టోన్స్, ద సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టోన్స్ మంచి పెద్ద సైజ్ అండి. ఈ ఒక్క సింగిల్ పీస్ వేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ అ స్టేట్మెంట్ పీస్ అండ్ ఇట్ వుడ్ బీ సంథింగ్ లైక్ అ హెరిటేజ్ పీస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ వెరీ అన్యూజువల్ డిజైన్ టు బీ ఆనెస్ట్, బట్ ద unusualness of it is in the size of the stones, the clarity of it, the tourmalines. The whole finish is a very antique and a very royal look necklace. Even to the earrings also, ఇవన్నీ ఇంత పెద్ద పెద్ద స్టోన్స్ మీరు పెట్టినప్పుడు ఎక్కువ మనకి ఇంకేది ఉండే అవసరం లేదు. దే విల్ స్టాండ్ అవుట్ బై ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టోన్స్ అండ్ ద క్లారిటీ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ దిస్ నెక్లెస్. నౌ ఐ విల్ బి మూవింగ్ ఆన్ టు ది అదర్ పీస్. ఈ నెక్ పీస్ చూడండి, అ వెరీ వెరీ అన్యూజువల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ కంప్లీట్ ఇంత పెద్ద లాకెట్. ద లాకెట్ ఈస్ నియర్ బై టు 4 inches. వెరీ బిగ్ పోల్కీస్, వెరీ క్లియర్ అండ్ బిగ్ పోల్కీస్, నవరత్నాలు, అండ్ ఇట్స్ అ కంప్లీట్ హారం డన్ ఇన్ ప్యూర్ ఫైన్ పోల్కీస్. Very beautiful finish. Border we have given pearls so that the whole finishing would give it a very like oka nizami look, oka royal look untundi. Deeniki memo we have given it jhumkis. These jhumkis are very beautiful. The finish of these jhumkis are, this is the look of these jhumkis where the finishing is very very finely done with polkis and we have given it a shape of a peacock. The necklace part వచ్చేసి it's a complete haram, a very heavy high end haram. ఈ దానికి వచ్చినప్పుడు the teaming of it would be very beautiful if it's a bridal wear or even a groom can also wear it and give it to his bride of course, but it's a very proper bridal concept necklace. A single neck piece is more than enough to cover the entire look of the attire, and this is how it looks. We've given it a beautiful dangles of South Sea pearls, a very big size ones, nice decent size, and a little close up you will get to see pearls paina kuda memo we have given beautiful tiny navratnas to match the concept of it. The concept of House of Rohini's Vajram is to make a common one a little uncommon with a tiny twist to it so that it gets a little exclusive look to it. The whole point is that end of the day అందరము వేసేది అదే గొలుసులు, అదే కమ్మలు, అదే ఉంటుంది. కానీ how to make it a little exclusive, how to make it a little different is what matters. ఇక్కడ మీరు చూడండి, the concept is all beautiful, exclusive, but a tiny twist to it is the small dangles of navratnas on top of each pearl. This is not something which is like a common thing. Prati navratnalu, they are not beads, they are actual navratna stones. Ee glitter lone meeku telisipotundi the navratna stones of it. To match the concept of it, the size of the polkis, the pure South Sea pearls, the fine finishing of it, and border of pearls on both the sides. The jhumkis are also done very intricately, pure polkis, pearls, emerald dangling, and kammulo memu ichesindi it's a 2 peacock studded kamma, a beautiful jhumki, a complete bridal concept for both bride and the groom. Even the groom can wear it as a haram and it goes very well with all kinds of outfits or attires. Any type of sarees, it will go very very beautifully well. So this is how the finish of it is. I'll be going to the next piece. House of Rohini's Vajram lo, what we do is take great pride in interacting with our customers, giving customer satisfaction. At every step we involve the customers in the process of the jewelry making. వాళ్ళకి ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్ కావాలి, వాళ్ళకి ఫినిషింగ్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది, వాళ్ళకి ఫినిషింగ్ టైంలో ఇంకేమైనా ఆల్టరేషన్స్ చేంజెస్ చేయొచ్చా, హౌ టు మేక్ ఇట్ బెటర్. ఇక్కడ ఇది ఉన్నది ఇదే తీసుకోవాలి, this is the end product. It is not like that. We take great pride in involving our customers in the entire process of their jewelry making, which is going to be a memorable piece to them, because that's something which is like carries a certain memory for certain occasion. On that basis, I would like to show you a certain concept here, which we have just received from our workshop. This is an unfinished haram, still in the raw stage. What I would like to show you here is how the customers are involved in each step of it. ప్రతి స్టెప్లో మేము కస్టమర్స్తో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతాము. వాళ్ళకి ఏది నచ్చుతుంది, ఏది నచ్చదు, వాళ్ళ ఒపీనియన్ తీసుకొని వాళ్ళకి నచ్చినట్టే we do it. And end product is a complete customer satisfied product. ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్లో we have taken the customer's involvement on the length of the necklace, on the detachability of the locket, which is still unfinished. You have to see the beauty of it. It's a raw beauty. It is not yet studded with diamonds, not yet studded with pearls or anything yet, but still look at the raw beauty of it. Ee concept lo we are giving to the customer a detachable concept where ee necklace utti inta dakane veskovachu, or you can make it into a long haram. The locket is detachable, and when a long haram is worn, this doesn't have to be a single locket. We are giving one more locket to it, which is again added to this. So the concept is a multi-purpose of it, a complete customer satisfied product with a unique concept of it, where the whole concept is given a twist, a customization, a personal touch, where the customers are like attached to it forever. This is just a concept of one of the features of House of Rohini's Vajram. ప్రతి స్టెప్లో మేము కస్టమర్స్ తోటి ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతాము, ప్రతి దాంట్లో వాళ్ళ ఇన్పుట్ తీసుకుంటాము, అండ్ ది ఎండ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ విచ్ ఇస్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ సాటిస్ఫైయింగ్ టు అ కస్టమర్. We here, the concept of this necklace again is a big haram. ఇది ఒక కంప్లీట్ పెద్ద హారం which is done in multiple ways, which can, it's a completely detachable concept from here. The locket is detachable. Ee haram vachesi it's just in the unfinished raw stage. I wanted to show you this so that I can give you a little bit idea about from what stage the customer is involved, how we interact with them, and how a final product is given according to their satisfaction. This is a raw beauty of it. The final beauty is going to be much more beautiful. The end product of it is going to be far more beautiful. Next in our collection is a very beautiful, exquisite ear studs done in 1 carat each. A very clear clarity, a very clear finish polkis, basra pearls and diamonds. The whole twist of it is a very unusual size of the ear tops, a very unusual size, a huge studded tops. The clarity of the polkis are pure white, clear white, and given it a layer of basra pearls. These are tiny basra pearls. A very unusual size, a very unusual finish, and a beautiful, beautiful ear studs. Once this is worn, a completely standout piece by itself, it does not require anything additional complementary features to it. This is a standalone and outstanding beauty. The clarity, the finish, and the whole shape of the studs is utterly beautiful. This is something we take great pride in giving our customers. The amount of hours we put in, the amount of hard work we put in until we get a completely satisfied product, we do not hand it over to the customer, and we take great pride in our finish. This is a beauty by itself, and this is something which only House of Rohini's, it is a guaranteed piece, it only belongs to us. This is designed in-house. The clarity of the stones are filtered by us, and the whole finish is done by our workers who have given their best to it. One more piece from House of Rohini's Vajram is this beautiful, beautiful jhumkis, diamond jhumkis. These are the stud size. This is a stud size which is detachable. Very beautiful, intricate work on the jhumkis. Jhumki dangles kuda mem jhumkis ichinamu. a beautiful huge South Sea pearl. ప్రతి జుమ్కీలో చిన్ని pearls touch చేసినాము. The beauty is every detail is finely tuned and finely finished. This is a huge traditional stud which can be worn by any age group. అందరూ ప్రతి ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ వాళ్ళు వేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు లేటెస్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇస్ పెద్ద పెద్ద కమ్మలు వేసుకోవడం is the latest concept. Once the bride is done wearing this, this is detachable and the whole jhumki again can be attached to it to give it a single look. The whole fine finishing of the diamonds are done in VVS EF color. Fine finished the whole concept of it. A completely diamond studded jhumki. With this, I would like to end this show about House of Rohini's Vajram. House of Rohini's was initially started as Rohini Jewels. Rohini Jewels was born because of a tiny weeny insult of Rohini's daughter. She said, "Amma, all you do is sit at home, watch TV and do nothing else. Can you do something with your life?" When she told me that, she was just 5 years old. ఐదేండ్ల పాప నన్ను అన్నది. ఆ అన్న ఒక్క మాట నన్ను ఈరోజు ఇక్కడి దాకా తీసుకొచ్చింది. A great pride I take in my jewelry designing. Each step has been a milestone for me. Each customer has been a blessing. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my customers who've been with me throughout my journey, a starting of which was done in a tiny room with just a drawing pad, with the intention of not giving up. చేస్తే బాగానే చేస్తాను, లేకపోతే చేయకుండానే ఉంటాను. A small advice given by a very close relative: you are good in jewelry designing, why do you not start it? From there the journey began and here we are, and hoping to go along more with all of you along with me, and I hope to see you all in store soon. We are based in Narsingi, Hyderabad, a very in-house designer concept store. Completely to your satisfaction, each and every product is done maintaining the quality of the product. A complete in-house designer concept studio of jewelry. Namaste.